The DocHub process from start to finish, including annotating, saving to your Google Drive, and then uploading to Google Classroom. So here we've got our worksheet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the link for the worksheet. And it is going to open up in a PDF form. I can't do anything with it in this form, and so I want to go up to the middle top where it says Open With, and I want to go ahead and open with DocHub. And what I am going to do now is, as it loads the document, I'm going to use my existing document already. I've already uploaded this, but I'm going to go ahead and use my existing. Then I'm going to go ahead and answer the questions here. So the first question is, list the reasons Martin gives for being nervous about the building's elevator. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my typing tool, my add text tool, because this is a question that I need to add an answer to. I'm going to go ahead and click on that button right there, and I can go ahead and expand this. And again, I want to change the color of my text just so I know that I'm the one who's writing this. Martin says that he is nervous about the elevator because it is old. Now, I know that's not what the story says, but we are just going through. Again, I'm going to go back to my pointer tool since I'm done typing. And then I'm going to go ahead and go down to my next. Now, hopefully your answer is more cohesive than because it is old. Hopefully you give me a couple reasons. Again, it says list the reasons plural. Now I'm going to go down, I'm going to illustrate a key scene. So this is where I want to bring in my freehand drawing. I can change the color of what I'm looking for. I'm going to go ahead and make a brown building. Well, we'll make a black building. It's an old building. Here we go. I know it has an elevator in it. There's my building. And hopefully your drawings are a little bit more succinct than mine. Hopefully you have a mouse to use. That definitely makes it a whole lot easier. I'm going to make my elevator column. I'm going to go ahead and make it red just to show that it goes all the way up and down. There we go. Let things connect. Okay. And again, continue to answer the questions and annotate. When you are done answering all of the questions in complete sentences, you're going to export it to your Google Drive by clicking the download/export button in the upper right-hand corner. And I want to save it to my drive. And we're going to go ahead and name it the elevator worksheet. And again, I have another one in there, so we're going to go ahead and edit this really quickly. Actually, just kidding. Let's cancel. Export to Drive. And so now it's going to go ahead and save to my Google Drive. When I'm ready to upload, again, the elevator DocHub document, you're going to turn in two of them. You're going to turn in your annotations as well as the answers to the questions. This is my pretend work here. I'm going to go ahead and go to Add from Google Drive. And then I've got my two elevator worksheets. And again, I did not replace the other one, so here's my elevator. I'm going to add that in there. Then I'm going to also make sure that my annotations are in here as well. And again, they're in that recent category because that's what I've worked on most recently. I'm going to go ahead and add that in there as well. Once I have all of that in there, I'm going to go ahead and turn in. If you have any questions or you're running into some problems, please let me know and I'll be happy to help. Again, this is for our elevator DocHub documents. There will be two that you turn in, the annotations and the answers. So you've got your annotations and your answers. Thank you, and we will talk soon. Bye.